Thank you everyone for giving us the opportunity today to present in front of this group. Uh, my apologies as I am under the weather, so may not sound great. But my name is Neha. I am a local volunteer and coordinator for Haldimand Norfolk Brantford chapter of Shoebox Project for Women. We are a Canada-based non-profit organization where we provide shoe boxes beautifully wrapped, filled with the gifts worth $50 to the women who are impacted by homelessness or are at risk of homelessness. And but the way we do it is we engage community by from collecting and distribution of those gift filled shoe boxes, and those shoe boxes contain something sweet, something warm, something caring, something personal. We consider those different categories, and especially the handwritten note where you express to those women that they are not alone in this world. They are still being valued and cared for, no, irrespective of the situation they are in during the, especially during the holiday season. And we get amazing support every year. We have donated from as low as 450 to as high as 1200 shoe boxes over the years in the Brantford region. It's been almost 6 years. This chapter has been ongoing. The funds we receive today would be only utilized for the Brantford region, that includes the Six Nation, where we support the shelters as such as Nova Vita, Why Not Youth Center, SOAR, Victim Services of Brant, Six Nations Justice Department, Brantford Native Housing, and a few more, right? Where the needs have increased years over years, and with even the personal challenges of community like ourselves, uh, it has been difficult to meet those needs. We would be providing almost 400 shoe boxes just within the Brantford region, and these funds today would help us to do that. How I got engaged is I started as a volunteer, just helping team fundraising, but I developed an interest and took over the lead position. So, the mission of the organization is to spread empathy, kindness, and compassion with these local women through the collection and distribution of gift filled shoe boxes and messages of support. And the best way to end is to just to show you the participant codes that we have, though those who have received these shoe boxes. Being a newcomer, the that flies the war, right? You would feel alone and stressed. But when I received the gift, I felt like there is a hope to be accepted in a new society and succeed. Um, yeah, thank you for giving us time and listening to us today. Hope to hear from you soon.